right. So we got 10 minutes here till open. So been kind of straight down. If we go look at the 4 hour, um, pretty much been straight down. We kind of consolidated here over the weekend, and then no, I shouldn't say over the weekend, but Friday and Monday was the long holiday or the long weekend. So didn't get much done yesterday, as you can see, but then overnight we just been heading down. So we're definitely in a downtrend on the 4 hour, all the way back to the 22nd. So a week ago we erased all those gains. I don't really see. I didn't sleep well last night, so not a great time to start. But I don't really like that as a high. I want to see what this looks like. Excuse me. Couldn't really get above that guy, I'd say. I don't really like that either. It doesn't matter what I like. See, that is a little bit more interesting. That is a little bit more interesting. So there's this consolidation in here, and you'll see that. I almost think this is a better representation here. Consolidated in this 30 to 21 zone. I mean, I don't see us bouncing that high, but coming back over on after a long weekend, definitely possible to come up and check. 30. You got VWAP right up here with our orange line. I expect the VWAP probably to drop a bit more before we get it back there. So this will be an interesting zone to watch. Can definitely test 30, but it might just test 20 and continue down. Tasty coffee. We do got news today. There is flash PMI at actually manufacturing PMI rate at 7:30, then final manufacturing PMI at 7:45, and then ISM manufacturing PMI at 8 a.m. So we should get some volatility this morning. It's just whether I find an entry I like. We are definitely getting positive divergence off of this low. You got this. You can't really make quite a case yet, but that's 1.44, and we're all the way up at 0. So that's a lot of divergence. So it wouldn't be out of the question to get another test of 87 and be worth a buy. You have to see if it holds first. Like I said, I don't sleep good, so I'm gonna be kind of picky this morning. You know. Yeah, man. Nothing to do but wait 5 minutes. See what happens. I might kick back. I don't like days like these where it's just been straight down. I mean, it hasn't been dropping crazy. I mean, the biggest candle, I guess I can't say that, 04 is a 20 point 5-minute candle, so it makes all these guys look tiny. There's more context for us. It's like there's nothing I want to touch through here. 21 or 30 are the cells. And 27, and you can't discount this. Either. I mean, it was support and resistance, but so was 30. So just a couple areas to keep an eye on. I mean, 28. Oh. That's pretty much the same line. I just, if we could come up a little bit short of 30, it might be worth entering. But like I said, we have this positive divergence, so a buy is not a terrible idea. If you know, you know. All right, what do we got? We got minute to open. 1 minute to open. What's that Q doing over here? It's getting cute. And Q is doing the exact same thing as ES. I think it's worth a buy if we check this out again. This 20 or 30, 87.25. Other than that, it might not be a very great morning for trading. It's just been straight down. Like I said, I don't like to mess around too much with that, but I think if we do get a test of this 87, it's worth a buy to at least pop back up to 30 for 6,400. All right. We're live. And the market's open. Let's see if we get a push down. This right here is sort of an E2 at 91. But I'm looking for 87 to see. And Q's are already at new lows. Come on. I want an E1. That might be it, eh? 87 to 88, 89. And keys back above green. Bad fill. $85. Ah, that was worth a try. Positive divergence. I think it still could go. I just didn't get a great fill price on that. All right, now we wait and see. I mean, aggressively, you could sell that right here, or we came up and checked. Yeah, 88.50. See if I get filled there. I don't want to put as much risk on. Bada beat boda ba. Let me see if I get a test on the 5. That might have been that last little probe up. Might have been the cell. The way it's behaving here. Say like that. It's kind of disrespecting green right now, so let's see if I can get filled. We'll try a long here. 86. Yeah, I would have liked to see it go by now. It's not risking much. So there's some risk off the table. Let's see how much we push up here. I don't know how high we're going to push. We're back in this kind of a zone here. I need you to push up, please. Go ahead and just sky rockets at night, afternoon delight. Yeah, and I will take that. Oh, what the heck? How come I'm still? Uh, Everybody's flat now. That is weird. Hmm. All right then. What's my leader? 89. Yeah. I just that first probe that took me out down here kind of you know started off with a loss, and so then I was a little itchy on that guy to get back in, but that's a little pop that we're looking for. I mean, I don't know why my some of them have been but like I said, this could run. I'm too tired to make good decisions today. But that is it. That is all. I got one trade left in my cannon for the day, so I don't know. I might wait around. Up 100 and 160, 150. Yeah, NQ is still ripping up. ES is trailing it, so if that's any indication, uh, we should get higher. I'm okay with this trade. Uh, Good take profit just below this little E2. For three points there, and then to 94 for another 7 points. We will see. This is why I don't really like days like this, is because it can literally stop anywhere and turn around. That's why this was I want clear entry, and that's why I tried it twice. It's just because well, I can't really at the time we still had this divergence, which is still pretty good. But now we're even, and we're getting lower highs. So um, yeah, we got 5 minutes on news, and then another 15 minutes to real news after that. So um, yeah, I think we're gonna shut her down. Like I said, I'm tired. I'll take a win on the first day, even though it's a small one. Green is green. Uh, all right, folks.